Welcome on board this GT transport service to somewhere in the United Kingdom, mostly the North East.
Okay, so here we are on Haulsbrook Railways, guys. Welcome to another video. Today we are back on Haulsbrook Railways, this time with the creator. And the creator isn't driving this, but... oh, hang on. What's he saying in the chat? GT... Oh, I think he wanted to get in the cab, but I think he's just changed his mind. Okay, so today we're on Haulsbrook Railways yet again, and the creator's on, and we've got some... Class 50s running today, so we're going to be having a cab ride and spotting them around the Haulsbrook Railways map. So we've got 3 in the British Rail livery and 2 at the rear in the GBRF, or as this game made it, HBRF, to represent Haulsbrook Railways freight. There's JL Jack there. So yeah, these 50s look very, very nice indeed. Honestly, rock_HBRF, if you're watching this, because you did watch my review video, I saw your comment. If you're watching this, the 50 looks amazing, not gonna lie. If you built it, or if one of your developers built it or whatnot, I don't know. But whoever built it, the 50 is amazing. I love the sounds as well. There's a 66 there. The horn is also very good. Goodness me, we're going fast. Is this supposed to represent Dawlish or something? Because there's the beach there, and then the railway line. I don't know. Probably not. 50-012 here. The sounds are amazing. 50-050. 50-008. I think there's a couple more. Oh, I can't see from in here. 50-007. And I think 50-014 is on the rear. Let's have a look. Just zooming out. Oh, I can't zoom out that far. Oh, I think it's 049 in the rear. Right, now I've got to zoom all the way back in by pressing I. I've got to press I millions of times. There we go. Okay, the 50 looks amazing. Now I'm just going to get a cab view, so I'm just going to view it from the cab. There's Ryan_Network Rail, who I'm assuming has been given permission to drive it. We're at the freight depot. There's all the 66s in there, different liveries, and the wagons all the way down there. I love the horn, and there's more over there. This is amazing. The next time he stops, what I'm probably gonna do next time he stops, I'll hop out and film him leaving, and then I might wrap the video up there because I don't want to make this video too long, you know, just because. Well, I think my dad wants his laptop back in a couple of minutes. I don't know though. But yeah. Okay, looks like we're approaching the station. I think I just seen JL Jack on the tracks there. Slowing down. Yeah, I would rate this 50. Haulsbrook Railways creators, if you're watching. I would rate this 50 a 10 out of 10. I don't think it's in the game yet, but if it is going to be in the game, then I would love to see it in the game, because it's amazing. Oh, there's rock_HBRF there. I would rate it a 10 out of 10. What platform are you passing on? CC. Oh boy. Oh, hang on. That looks like the spawn station. Hang on. Okay, this bit. Okay, I'll just do it like this then. That looks like the spawn station. Yep, that's the spawn. That station is where the spawn is located. Because I can, if you want to know why, because I can see Flying Scotsman there, and that's at the spawn. So, yeah. Admin platform. This 50, 10 out of 10 rating by me. And then what I'm probably gonna do is when he arrives, I'll jump out, film him leaving, and then we'll wrap up the video there. So yeah, this has been the class 50. Well, I wonder what I'm gonna call this video. I'll probably call it Haulsbrook Railways class 50. Class 50 around the map, I guess. Or something like that. I'll think of something. No, guys, this is not an April Fool's. I know it's on April 1st that I'm recording this, but, you know. But yeah, like, don't think I've just hacked this into the game or anything. It's legit, you know, the creators are in and everything. I don't even know how to hack, and I wouldn't dare hack any game. So I'm not that kind of person. Yeah, it is legit, you know, the creators are in. Whether or not this will be coming to the game, I don't know. But if rock_HBRF happens to be watching the video, I'm sure he will let you know in the comments. I'm guessing we're currently just waiting for arrival. I think he's sorting something out with the tracks. So yeah, I'll see you when we move again. Okay, I just decided to hop out the train, and I decided that we'd just go to the station and wait for the train to arrive. I think it's coming on one of these platforms. So yeah. Okay, now arriving is 50s into the spawn station, which I forgot the name of. I can't believe I forgot the name already. I'll have a look in a minute. Here we are. We've got the British Rail 50s and the HBRF or GBRF liveried 50s pulling on in. Thank you. I love that horn. Sounds like a 37 horn. Well, I think 50/12, 50/50, 50/008. 50/007 and 50/49 on the rear. And I'm now going to wrap up the video, guys, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.